What's up, YouTube? This is Crypto Timmy coming at you with another one, with another banger. What's going on, guys? You are now tuned into the Crypto Timmy Show, and I'm your host, Crypto Timmy. And for this episode, I am going to be talking about Hoppy. I am going to be talking about how today is the day that we have all been waiting for. Everything could potentially change today. I'm going to be talking all about Hoppy, and I am also, if you stick around to the end of the episode, I am going to be talking about my thoughts and opinions on the micro cap meme coin that I have been buying, that I was buying aggressively just yesterday. So guys, yes, Hoppy, guys, everything is going to change today. Today is the day that we have all been waiting for. Some of us have been investing, myself included, throughout the bear market, 2021 going into 2022, all of 2023. But this also applies to the investors that got in even, recently. Some of the plays that we have gotten in on have skyrocketed recently. You didn't have to necessarily be investing all throughout the bear market. This applies to people that got into plays such as Hoppy in recent times. So guys, today is the United States presidential election. Today we will potentially find out, and I don't necessarily think that we are going to have a definitive answer on who the U.S. president is going to be today. It might be, it might be delayed. We may have to wait a week. We may have to wait a couple of weeks. But in any event, we are going to find out in the very near future who is going to be our president in the United States. And guys, we all know who the bullish candidate is. If Donald Trump gets in, that is going to be very bullish for crypto. And I'm here to tell you guys, and I'm going to talk about a very, one of the main reasons that I think that Bitcoin in particular has been on a downtrend in recent times, because people are scared that Kamala Harris is going to get elected, that Kamala Harris is going to be the president. And a lot of people are exiting the market. They are liquidating their positions because of the fear of Kamala Harris getting in. But that is a very dangerous thing to do, guys, because if you were, and I am not one of those people, but if you are one of, I want to say that's kind of a bit of a weak-minded approach to investing, because we do not know, okay? Kamala Harris, Kamala Harris may get elected, and would that create an immediate dip? Yes, I do believe that could happen. There could be, guys, I am predicting that there may be one more dump before the big pump, one more dip before the big rip. And to sell your position based on a possible negative outcome, you would be losing your initial entry point on whatever crypto you are investing into, and that is dangerous. My approach with this situation is I am holding my positions because, guys, should we find out today, let's say we find out today that there's a very good chance that Donald Trump is going to get elected, and then in the week to come, in the couple of weeks to come, should we find out that, yes, Donald Trump did get elected, there is going to be an immediate surge, guys. I believe that we could potentially see a $10,000 pump immediately for Bitcoin, and then, of course, the rest of the market will follow. And should that happen, you would have lost your initial entry point. Now, I believe in being prepared for all outcomes, and so I am holding on to my positions. I am not parting with my positions. And should we find out that Donald Trump gets elected, I am going to benefit from that pump. I am going to be in euphoria almost immediately. But should we get some bearish news, should we find out that Kamala Harris is most likely going to be the United States president, that is only going to be an opportunity for me to continue to DCA into my positions. And yes, Hoppy falls into that category. So that is my approach to this, guys. I'm not saying that you necessarily need to do this. I'm simply giving my thoughts and opinions. And so I am here to tell you that regardless of who gets in, historically, it doesn't matter who the candidate is. The 4-year cycles follow the way the 4-year cycles go, regardless of who gets elected as president. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $68,870. It is a bit down. It was up. It was touching 73K a very short period of time ago. And I told you why I believe that Bitcoin has gone down since then. But guys, we could see an immediate pump today if we get some bullish news, if we find out that Donald Trump is most likely going to be the the president of the United States. We could see a huge pump. And should there be a dump, should we find out that Kamala, is in the lead, or that she is most likely going to become the United States president, I believe that we could see a dump, but I don't think it's going to be all that bad, guys. It could, I'm going to say, Bitcoin could test, I want to say, maybe 60K. And would that scare the pants off of us? Yes, it would scare a lot of us. It would not be, necessarily a good thing, but it will recover regardless of who the president is. Now, guys, Hoppy is currently trading at 0.000245, and it is at a $103.1 million market cap. Guys, I believe, so should things go down from here, that would simply mean that is a great entry for Hoppy. I believe that anything sub $100 million in market cap for Hoppy is an excellent buy. I would even go as far as to say anything even above a $100 million market cap, guys. Hoppy is destined for billions. I told you guys I am expecting anywhere, and this is a very broad range, and I'm going to be taking profits all along the way, but I see Hoppy going to a $1 billion, but it could go anywhere between $1 billion. I think $5 billion is very realistic, and I would not be all that surprised if Hoppy went above a $5 billion market cap, could even touch as high as a $7 billion, a $10 billion. That would not surprise me. I believe Hoppy is one of the best meme coins that you could get in on at this point in time. So guys, I talked about Hoppy. Now let's talk about Toad, the meme coin on Solana, based on a toad, based on the children's book Frog and Toad Are Friends. Guys, I believe, and I told you this in previous episodes, I believe that Zap Franca found a monster with this one. I was just talking to him this morning about that fact. I said, Zap, I think you found a monster. I think this one is going to do great. And yes, I was buying Toad aggressively throughout the day yesterday. I told you guys I was able to download the Phantom wallet. And guys, I got to tell you, if you don't have a Phantom wallet, you may want to go ahead and get it. It was seamless. It's very good. And the interface, the way it, like when you make a buy, it makes a really cool sound, like almost like a casino. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I like, the sound when you make a buy. And yes, I was buying aggressively. I was fortunate enough. And Zap said, Timmy, that was a great entry. My first entry was around a $6 million market cap. And guys, my whole day yesterday, I was focusing on Toad. I hope I didn't say Hoppy. I'm talking Toad at this point. But I was focusing, my whole day was focused around Toad, and I was trying to snipe it. It was jumping up, touching 10 million, 11 million, and then it would go down around 7 million, 8 million, 9 million. And I was making my heaviest buys at that $6 million market cap, but I was also buying, I made a couple of entries at 7 million, 8 million, even possibly close to 9 million. Guys, I am so bullish on Toad. I think that this one could very well be a monster. I think that Toad could be one of those coins that goes from a 10 million. Right now it's around a little over an $11 million market cap. I think that Toad could just skyrocket to a $100 million market cap or better, and just like that, guys. And I'm going to tell you the reasons why I believe that. So yes, it's bullish. It is a book of memes. Zap tells us the children's book, Frog and Toad Are Friends. It is a book of memes. I believe that Toad looks strikingly similar to Pepe. I found that to be very bullish. But the main reason why I am so bullish on this token is because Toad has ties to two major people, okay? We've got Elon Musk, and then we've got Da Vinci Jeremy. Now, we all know, guys, Elon Musk is Elon Musk. I mean, it doesn't get any bigger than a name such as Elon Musk. He was following the wrong Toad. I don't even know if he is following the correct Toad at this point, but the point I'm making is that Elon Musk has an interest in this project, and all it would take, I'm going to say this again, all it would take is one tweet by Elon Musk. If he mentions Toad once, it is going to rip. It is going to take off and skyrocket. And guys, also Da Vinci Jeremy was one of the initial investors in Bitcoin. You know, he put out a video talking about, guys, just buy $1 worth of Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at a ridiculously low price. And he's a visionary. He's a visionary. He has a very big YouTube channel. He has hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And so those are the two main reasons why I am so bullish on Toad. I believe that guys, meme coins are all about hype. It is all about the hype. And when a name such as Elon Musk mentions a token, a crypto, we all know what happened when Elon Musk started talking about Dogecoin, guys. It went parabolic. It went insane. And then Da Vinci Jeremy, not only so he has interest in the coin, but apparently he is one of the top holders. And I believe, myself included, that people that know that a guy like Da Vinci Jeremy is in on a project, they want to follow suit. They want to get in on that project as well. And so those are the two main reasons, guys. There are new content creators, new YouTubers talking about, we all know, guys, Zap made this legendary call. And then I want to give a shout out to DTV Creators Lounge. He has an excellent channel. I suggest you go and check him out. If you're bullish on Toad, he's bullish on Toad. I believe he got in on Toad at a $3 million market cap. That is an excellent entry point. He talks about Toad. You might want to go check him out. And he pointed out something as well that makes me, you got to excuse me, this freaking sun coming in my window right now is insane. But so DTV Creators Lounge brought to our attention exactly how popular the book Frog and Toad Are Friends, the children's book, is. Apparently, a lot of people knew and know about this children's book, and you know, that I just found that to be much even more bullish. That's another one of the reasons why he influenced me. His bullishness increased my bullishness. Now you got to remember, guys, this is an extreme high risk, high reward. I did go in a bit heavy on this one, but you know, it's a calculated risk. If I lose my whole investment, is it going to hurt me? Yes, it will. But I believe that the reward outweighs the risk on this one. I just simply, and if it could get some exchange listings, guys, it's going to go insane. It's going to go insane. I believe it is one of the best, you know, aside from when we're talking Hoppies and Turbos, the extremely much safer, secure investments. I believe that Toad, guys, you might want to have Toad on your radar. It's around an $11 million market cap, and I believe the sky is the limit with this one. And so, guys, that's all I have today on today's Hoppy episode and my thoughts and opinions on Toad on Solana, guys. If you enjoy my content, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and smash the bell notification so you can see when I have content coming out. It's going to be coming out on a regular basis for you guys. And, guys, this is Crypto Timmy signing out. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.